Hello everyone. So I'm on a kick here with filming all the things, and I thought I might as well share my Dollarama haul with you guys because it's super quick. So I purchased some socks, and I'm getting right into it because you can tell. Some crew socks for my son. These were $4 and they have, yeah, they're just cotton and they have a soft cushion sole, comfort toe seam, and durable heel toe, and he loves these types of socks. So I actually bought 2 packages because we were just in the States in February and I bought him some socks then when I went to Target. I usually like buying things when I go down there, and I paid I think $9 for their socks, for crew socks. So, and Walmart here sells them as well, but they're a little bit more expensive. My haul's really tiny, but I just thought I'd share it with you guys. I got these for the little ones in our family for a gift. There's the Avengers and the Paw Patrol. And basically, you open the cover, put the discs in, and launch them at people. That's all. That's it. Just another toy for Mom to go chasing pieces around the house. I'll just drive a cousin up the wall, right? But yeah, or our mom will get launched at. One of the cousins are gonna have their kid launching things at them. I bought these because you guys, I've seen in my Facebook group that you guys love these rice cakes with milk chocolate. So they're $1.25. They only come with, what is it? How many are in here? Anyways, it's a product of Poland. I love when they have products from Europe. I don't know why. There's like these other little butterfly type cookies that are from Portugal. Love them. And they're only $1. It doesn't tell you how many are in here, but I'm gonna assume 8 maybe, or 10. So they're just little rice cakes, really thin ones with a chocolate cover. How good. Perfect with a tea or a cup of coffee, right? What are some of your favorite treats that you guys have been buying at Dollarama lately? Because of you guys, I'm trying these. I bought the Bisquick, is it called? Also a product from overseas. Oh my gosh, I demolished the entire package. They are like a waffle, a really thin waffle filled with a caramel. Super sweet. I'm telling you, if you guys don't like sweet stuff, don't try them. I love sweets. And what you do is you make your cup of coffee or your tea, and then you sit this little waffle on top of it, and it kind of melts the caramel. Oh my gosh. I couldn't stop eating them. It was a disaster. And then I'm like, I saw them at a Dollarama, and I'm like, no, you cannot come home with me because I'll eat the whole package again. There were 10 of them in there. So, oh my gosh. So good. They were like kind of crispy but goopy and stretchy and caramelly. I'm telling you though, if you don't like sweet, stay away because they're super sweet. My daughter had 1 bite, and she usually likes treats, don't get me wrong, but she had 1 bite and she's like, Mom, I don't like it, it's too sweet. I said, I know, but I like sweet things. So I caved and I purchased these ones though. You guys, I asked a few times and no one said anything, so I said, well, I'll take one for the team. I'll buy it and I'll try them because I like anything that's puff pastry. These are called Asolo Dolce, and they're fine Italian puff pastries, and they're good till March 2021, and they're only $1 a pack. And I've been so happy with the other ones from Portugal, the butterfly cookies, so I thought I'd try them. And yeah, they look good. Has anyone tried them? I'm even thinking, like, imagine making a nice custard and layering these like as if they were fingers. Who knows? Maybe that will even be a nice dessert. I got this for me. I won't tell anyone. I've been having chocolate stashes, just in case anyone's listening at the door. My daughter likes to hang out by the door sometimes. I have chocolate stashes all over the house. So during the pandemic, when like we didn't even go out, or when we did get groceries, but they were like, you know, basic groceries, we would order them online and do a pickup. I had chocolate still in the house. My husband's like, how do you still have chocolate? And I'm like, oh, trust me, there's always chocolate in this house. It's stashed away somewhere in a corner. So I'm super good. I buy it and then like I hide it, and then every once in a while I have pieces. This is $1.50. It's called a Belgian chocolate milk hazelnut crunch, and it's a product of Belgium. I've always liked Belgian chocolate. I have no problem. This is good till August 2021. It says it's imported by Dollarama and a product of Belgium. Has anyone tried it? This is my first time. Chocolate. I'm a chocolate addict. Okay. cotton pads. Oh, just bought another package of these. $1.25 for 100 cotton pads is not too bad. I did find amazing pads at Dollarama at one point. They weren't like this. They were a soft finish on the top. I'll pull them out just to share with you. I wish that I had bought more of those because they don't leave any, you know, when you're cleaning your nails with these, you're removing your nail polish and then you're left with those little lints. I hate it. I hate those little lints. But the ones that I bought before weren't like this, and they leave no lint, like no residue, nothing. Lint free, I'm telling you right now. I wish I had bought more of them, and they were, I think, $2 for I think it was 200 in a pack. But I do my nails so much. I go through these things like all the time. Oh, I bought some glue tape, double-sided adhesive. So I think these have gone up in price, right? Because do you see that? They're $1.50 now. I swear when I used to buy them, they started at $1 or $1.25. This is actually one of my favorite glue tapes. So Dollarama sells them, and then Dollar Tree sells them. And I've tried the Dollar Tree white. It's like a white one. I think I purchased the blue one and it wasn't very good at all. Ended up in the garbage. And the white one too is kind of okay. But I love the way these ones work, and they roll, and they last a bit. I mean, they're not the longest roll. What do they have? They're 26¼ feet long. Well, I guess that is long. All right, couple more things here and then I'll wrap it up for you guys. I bought some Tylenol. Can never go wrong with Tylenol. These, oh, I gave you the prices of those things. Yeah, this is $4, I believe, and there's 24. Oh, here's the English. 24 easy tabs. It's not the best price, to be honest with you, because I typically will buy them at Walmart when they're on sale and you get like, I think 72 or so. And I usually like having Advil on hand, preferably over Tylenol. Because anyways, I like to have both of them on hand because you just never know. However, I think I pay like $4 when they're on sale for a lot more than 24. But with the situation now, I just don't go out as often, and it's good to have something like this on hand at home, right? Okay. Oh, these, I don't know if these are now a regular stock at Dollarama. It's this brand here, Low Cornell. I just started seeing this stuff out. So basically they package it up where it's like a whole bunch of them in a package, and it's like little mini canvases or larger canvases for you to paint. You can watercolor, acrylic paint, do anything like that, gems. And I usually buy the girls, for my daughter and her friends, the little mini 2-pack ones at Dollar Tree. And they come on the wood frame, right? No, maybe not. I think they do come on a wood frame, or a hard frame at least. Anyways, they're the little mini canvases, and there's usually 2 in a pack for $1.25. But this one here has 6, and I thought, because they do little gem work and stuff, 6 for $1 was a really good value. And if it wasn't $1, it was $1.25, but I promise it was no more than that, because I was like, whoa, that's a really fantastic deal. They had these, and they had another pack of the bigger ones. And I think the bigger ones had also 6 or 5 in them. I didn't end up buying the bigger ones because they gravitate towards the small ones. Gems take up a lot of work. So I find that if they make a little one, they're happy with that. Oh, I also was super happy to find this. Go Create. Where is this brand from? Like, am I, after some time, like starting to lose it? But it's not, isn't Go Create from somewhere else, not just a Dollarama thing? Yeah, I think it's from other places. I think it's maybe from Walmart. Like, somebody let me know, okay? Bling on a roll. And you guys know that I've been kind of using this bling wrap lately and some Dollarama, some fall DIYs. I made those cute pumpkins with all the bling on the side. This stuff is perfect for those types of projects. Or if you want to even just bling out a vase or something like that. And I bought this from my craft room. So these are $1.25. They're non-slip trinket trays. They actually have like these little non-slip corners, so they're good for your bathroom. But oh, I'm making a mess with the sticker. So I'm gonna pull the sticker off, and I just think that these are really cute for keeping my little trinkets in my craft room drawers. Like my Alex cabinets, they're so shallow, so this would be something that I can put little die cuts or something that I need to get a hold of quickly. But yeah, that's my that's my haul. See, I told you it was super, super quick. I do have a couple more Dollar Tree things to share with you guys, but in the meantime, I hope you've been enjoying my Dollarama shop with me's and my Dollar Tree shop with me. I'm so happy to be back out shopping at the stores. I'm being super careful, lots of hand sanitizer. My hands are always so dry these days, constantly moisturizing, but lots of hand sanitizer, wearing our masks, and I hope you guys are staying safe as well and healthy. And yeah, let me know if there's anything you guys are in search of at the stores, what's really hot right now out there that I should be looking for. And until next time, everyone, have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching. Bye.